Morning everyone. It's still morning, it's just coming up to midday actually. It's me today doing the daily video log today, back on the camera. I've missed it a little bit, but it is easier Gareth doing it, but I think we're going to chop and change it up. He still probably will be more than him doing it, but I'm doing this one. So I'm going to do my little walk around the car park. So let's have a look. So we've got this green Mark II. This came in as Part X. Yes, it did. So this has come in as Part X, and not sure what to do with it really. Obviously, I don't even know whether or not he's talked about it because I haven't actually seen the video. So anyway, we might just be selling that out as it is, less the hardtop, maybe for like £1,200. So anyone's interested in that, but by the time this video goes out it might not even be here, so we'll see. And so this Mark 2.5 came in at the weekend, and we need to cut it open and see how bad the seals are, go from there. This Mark III I think is an underseal, or a couple of bits and pieces. This is a Mark II that we've taken in, that we've purchased, which we're going to sell. Mark III I did yesterday. What did I do on that? It went for an MOT, so I did an engine service, handbrake adjustment, it was sticking, I just cleaned the brakes up, and it's, yeah, a couple of other bits. Yeah, that's it really. Yeah. So we've just been out for a drive in the V6 Rocketeer. That video will probably be out before this one, so if it's not, you have to wait for it, but that was a good drive, that was. They don't know I'm coming to do a video either. Yeah, all good. I'd say that none of them expected me to do this video, so there's a bit of noise on this one.
Yeah.
I better go and ask them to be quiet. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, a little bit too much noise.
Yeah.
I might as well start with you then.
Oh,
like doing the video and stuff.
Hello.
How's that going for you at the moment?
Well, I don't think I'm going to wear it in the pub.
No. I must say, you're rocking it quite well in terms of like a fashion accessory.
Yeah.
You're almost sort of like catalogue level of modelship there. Yeah, hang on. That's it. Oh yeah, work it, baby. I'm gonna do Austin Powers now. Yeah, that's it. Good. Yep, turn around. Yes, nice. And we're done.
It's the shorts underneath again. Yeah, it's a little bit warm with.
Yeah, I bet you are, aren't you?
And the suede jacket on, but yeah.
So you've been doing some seal work.
Yeah. That looks too closely.
That's right. No. So you're just doing the seal, and it came in for an MOT, didn't it? And then it failed on the seal.
MOT failed on the seal and headlights.
Yeah.
And so we put clearer headlights in, replaced a couple of the bulbs.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Yeah, the customer already paid for the headlights, so
yeah. That's alright. What else did you do on it?
That's it so far.
Oh, is it?
Is that? Yeah. I don't think it's booked for anything else, so
alright.
Hopefully it shouldn't be anything else.
Cool.
It was maybe the chassis rails, but we're going to report back to the customer after we've done the seal. So, yeah.
Alright. Was it advisory, was it?
What, the chassis rails?
Yeah.
I don't think so. No, I think it just.
Yeah, he hasn't been able to poke anything through, but there's rust there, and I can see where he's scraped.
Yeah, I don't think it's in the lines anyway. I don't remember seeing it on the MOT sheet.
Alright. Yeah, cool. Alright
Said
then.
that. Yeah.
Cheers, Grant.
All right, Chris. See you later.
I've worked my way back this way now.
I don't know, you meant that. Hello.
You alright?
Yeah.
You can't run off now, can you?
Huh?
You can't run away from me.
Yeah,
You're stuck in the middle of actually doing something.
Well, I mean, I can
How's this gone?
outrun you anyway.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Pardon?
Huh?
You say you'd outrun me any day.
Yeah.
So I've just got this big grin that's just come up on my face. I don't know why. Right.
Too old to be running, Chris.
That almost sounds like there's a challenge like needed in that. I bet you I could run to Sutton's and back far quicker than you.
I haven't got the shoes for it.
Nor have I. Hang on.
You've got trainers on.
Hey?
You got trainers on.
We'll bring your trainers in. And I'll bring my trainers in. And we'll have a run.
Why is this going to end up in the news where like two people have been run over trying to cross the road in a race?
Well, I won't be run over because you'll be running next to me and not driving an MX5.
Keep talking like that and I might have to get you again.
Right, so what have you done?
Cam belt, water pump, all the seals on the front of the engine, a couple of hoses.
He had a few gaskets and seals in his boot, didn't he?
Yeah, like a whole rebuild kit. A bit excessive as a general service. I think,
Ashley, where you gone? There you go. Oh, there you are. You can hardly see you in there. Ashley came and saw me yesterday because I put on the sheet gaskets, etc. in the boot, and what we didn't know was there was a whole engine rebuild kit: head gaskets, oil pump. There was even main bearings.
Yeah.
And he looked really perplexed because I'd put etc. He just thought, what am I doing on this car? I might be rebuilding the engine.
It was just cam belt, water pump, seals, etc. from box and boot of car, and there's like a whole engine rebuild kit.
It was just like
Oil
loads.
pump.
It was just absolutely loads of stuff in there. Alright, so you're just running this up and then you're done on this, then you? Or?
I've got a seal to do on it.
Oh, clean up the seals. It's actually a really clean MX5, this one. It's auto. It's actually really, really clean. Alright, I'll go see Roy. No, Roy don't run away. Roy works the camera.
Right?
That's what Grant's just been doing over there.
What's that?
Working the camera.
Is he?
Yeah, I turned into Austin Powers.
I'm just.
You're just schmooing some schmoo on there.
Yeah, I'm in my eye.
Yeah, you're doing it in your eye.
No, I just flicked in the eye.
Oh, have you? You're right.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep doing the video?
Yeah.
Or should I go and administer first aid?
No, you're right, mate. You're right.
So you're doing
all the welding.
all of the welding, aren't you? Seal end plate, inner seal,
Yeah, this side's shot.
arches. So when did you start this one? There's no, it wasn't Monday afternoon, so there's no. So you've already done inner seal, seal end plate,
Rear box section, jack and point.
rear box section, jack and point.
Inner arch.
Wow. Okay.
Done. Replaced this bit of the inner arch.
Yeah.
And this small section here. That's basically the same as the other side. I've got the front seals to do on this as well. Is there a bit holy?
Nothing wrong with that, is there?
No. So, yeah,
Holy
I'll get them back in.
moly. That's a little finger. Get that in there.
Yeah, so they're both the same. The other one's not got a holes, but it's really pitted. So we'll just cut them. By the time we ground it back, it'll be like that too.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, so we'll just
That would be wafer thin.
cut it off and redo that. The
All right.
rest of the car's quite clean, I think, but hopefully inside won't be too bad. I think this is just a build up of rubbish that was been behind the wings and it's just rotted it out.
Yeah.
Because all around here is solid. There's not even a spot of rust anyway.
Ah, it's probably, was it full of shit?
Probably.
Oh, shouldn't have said that, but
No, you
I think, can we swear on our channel? I think we
think
can,
it
but we
just
shouldn't
beeps it
really,
out.
should we?
I think it just beeps it
Yeah,
out.
it'll just beep it out.
Yeah.
There's probably crud between here and the wing that maybe sat there for ages.
Yeah, so it's cut it off. Pretty well then.
Me and my potty mouth. Alright then.
Possibly not.
Well, Gareth will probably see you on the video tomorrow.
Yeah, probably.
See ya. Right, so time to do what I've been doing. I need to interview myself. So I have been working on an automatic which has got the 7,000 miles. I'm just in the process of fitting a cat up to it because someone stole it. So the customer knows about it. So I'm in the process of fabbing something up to make it work, which I've done, which is that. So that's going to go up in there, which it should work. So I'm doing that, and then I'm onto a Mark IV RF service which has arrived today, which I need to finish to get completed because he's picking it up later. So that's what I've been doing. Let's go and flip the camera around.
Howdy, folks.
Hi. So what have you been up to then, Gareth? What exciting things is happening in the office? Look, there's Ollie there as well.
Ollie's back. Ollie's back.
Sit-
Good news.
Sitting in my desk again.
That
Every
relieves.
Monday.
So Ollie's are. We haven't really introduced you. You. He
He's-
needs some of the workshop updates.
He's the Underseal King.
Yeah, he used to be the Underseal.
Excellent talking.
But he's now taking care of all of our online orders and parts inquiries and other stuff. He's going to be looking after the website. So yeah, he's an office boy now, ish.
Kind of.
Are you enjoying being Gareth's?
Understudy. Don't say the other word.
Well, I already swore out there
Yeah.
accidentally. Yeah, you're gonna have to beep that out.
Yeah, so I've been answering. So yesterday, one of the reasons I forgot to do I don't know if Chris has mentioned that, is it's actually Tuesday today. I should have done a video yesterday, a walk around the workshop vlog type video thing yesterday. I didn't because I got so engrossed in trying to catch up on my 150 emails I had to deal with, which I did manage to do.
That's good.
I'm now on. I've got 39 again now.
That's all right. That's the result of you being here, Ollie.
Well, I've got 70 to get through. Of parts
Yeah, because what I
requests.
did is I just forwarded them all to Ollie.
That's your problem now.
Have you shown our new keyrings?
No, we haven't. We should do. Let's do a merch plug. Merch drop.
So we haven't decided what we're doing with these yet.
These are, funny enough, we're going to show you some merch right now.
More
And,
merch that you can't buy.
They're not for sale on the internet. But send an email request to Ollie, which is, what's your email address? Have you got your own one here, or is it
Yes,
just...
it's Ollie, O-L-L-I-E.
Hang on.
That's like
Right.
the fastest.
Sorry.
Right.
People will be rewinding.
Ollie, O-L-L-I-E at the MX5 Restorer.co.uk.
Send him an email if you guys would like.
Right, so yeah, these are our old keyrings, and these, you only got these if you were worthy. Right, so if you were happy with your car, or, well, basically that was it. Yeah, if you felt your car was worthy, or it's a car we sold, you got one of these. So if your car's got one of these, if you bought it or not, I guess that's a good thing. But we ran out of those. It took us about 5 years, I think, maybe even longer than that to run out of them, but we did run out of them. So now we've replaced them with that, and which is our traditional colours, obviously. But we've also done that one.
I haven't seen these myself.
How long are you going to? We just like waiting.
That's right.
And that one there, yeah. So we haven't decided whether to offer these for sale or not.
What's the point in them otherwise?
Well, they were just on if we wanted to put them on your car keyring, you got them. and you got them for free. Well,
Yeah.
not for free because you've been here and had a load of work done.
That's my personal favourite.
So let us know what you think, guys, because one of the things we are thinking of doing is I'll just stick the other one out of the bag. That's the old one. We've only got about 10 of those left anyway. What we are thinking about doing is maybe keeping a traditional black and chrome to cars that are worthy, and maybe sell those ones. Don't know yet. Let us know.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, thanks for the watching the videos. We
If
appreciate
you watched
that.
this far,
Yeah. If we haven't bored
we
you
might
enough in
give
this
you
last segment. Yeah. So send Ollie a message if you would like to buy a keyring, and then we'll work out. I mean, how much we're going to sell them for? We discussed that yet? Or we just got to
No,
work
I
that
can't,
out?
I can't even remember.
All right. Well,
the date.
if you're interested in those key rings, send Ollie a message, and we'll work out the price and then let you know.
Right.
All right.
You can also send me an email directly if you need to. If you need any parts from any cars, need something for your build.
Is that Ollie at Pornhub?
We can send it off.
Don't cut no.
Is that what you're saying? But yeah, Mark 1, Mark 2. We don't have any Mark 3s braking currently, but we have had one.
We've got a
So
few
we've
bits
got
left over
the
here.
odd bit left of that. But Mark 1s, Mark 2s, we've got loads of bits
Yeah.
all
So
over the place.
if you want bits for your car and you want to know if we've got them, he's the man to send the email to.
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise it just gets forwarded to me.
Yeah. Cool. All right then. Right. That's it from us. See you on the next one. Gareth, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.